Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate my Coachella Day 3 look on Dress to Impress. So this is just an inspo. I'm just inspired by this year's Coachella to wear stuff from the themes that people have been wearing. But for the hair, super simple. I just used the short hair and I just colored it brown. And then I am going to be using these items now. I used this jacket in black, like that. And then I also used like this hood. I know like a lot of people have been like wearing something similar. And then I also wore these earrings. Can't really see them that much, but they do add like something to the look in my opinion. I did also use this. You don't have to, but I really like it. And I also used these jeans. And then I also used this. Thick. And then I toggled it to 5, I think. And I made the shorts like mini shorts. Then I used these boots. I also used this as well. And then I also used this in black. And then this in like a gray color to like match the belt. I think that's everything I used if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I'll just have to look again here. Oh, I also used the glasses from VIP, but you can use the glasses outside, but they're just a little bit more futuristic and I really like that. And I just colored it kind of like this. And that's everything I used. You can like add a bag if you'd like to, maybe one from the... Actually, I don't know like what bag I would use, but that is my Coachella Day 3. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.